Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Black Shark Pad 7 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll and find sound and vibration. Then let's scroll down and find tablet ringtone and tap on it. So here we've got pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the bottom we've got the option add ringtone, which means that we can set our own ringtone, for example, download it or record it as the ringtone for incoming call. And on the other hand, at the top of the list we've got the option none, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. So just tap on the ringtone if you wish to listen how it sounds. So let me, for example, set this Cairo, or Karina. All we need to do is to make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it is notified right here, and it means that from now on, our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.